Do you like outdoor activities? Yes, I like outdoor activities very much. I often play football and ride my bike after school. On weekends, I sometimes go to the park with my friends. I like being outside because it makes me feel fresh and happy. Outdoor activities help me stay healthy and have fun at the same time. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, I like them very much.
What outdoor activities do you like?
I like playing football and riding my bike.
How often do you do them?
I do them after school.
Who do you do them with?
I do them with my friends.
Where do you go on weekends?
I go to the park
Why do you like being outside?
because it makes me feel fresh and happy.
How do outdoor activities help you?
They help me stay healthy and have fun.